Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. We have here a private treaty house, 2-story residence, with ground floor, 2 bedrooms, 2 closets, 3 bathrooms, 2 passages, a powder room, living and dining area, kitchen, linen cupboard, laundry room, front porch, front carport and rear carport. The upper floor has 3 bedrooms with 3 closets, 2 bathrooms, master bath with jacuzzi and shower, an office, a sitting area, front and rear balconies, and a gazebo. Guys, since this is a private treaty house, interior viewing is not allowed, so let's take a look at the exterior, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, $52 million, or US, $337,800. To purchase, or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below, for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.